This curated review of the Saatva Latex Hybrid Mattress brings you the best of all worlds. The honest opinions of YouTube experts, the in-depth analysis of mattress review websites, and the reliable ratings of the Better Business Bureau. You'll get a full picture of this mattress's features, benefits, and drawbacks, so you can make a smart choice for your sleep quality. You'll also learn how to get a fantastic $538 discount. Before we dive into the details of the mattress, let's take a look at the company behind it. One of the best ways to gauge the quality and reliability of a company is to check its rating on the Better Business Bureau. This is where you can see how the company handles customer complaints and feedback. Saatva has earned an impressive A+ rating with 4.7 stars out of 5 based on over 1,600 reviews. Saatva has earned rave reviews from its customers, who are delighted with the product and the service. The company delivers high-quality mattresses that are comfortable and durable. The customer service team is friendly, professional, and responsive. They go the extra mile to make sure customers are happy with their purchase. The ordering and delivery process is smooth and hassle-free. Saatva has built a loyal customer base with its outstanding customer service, and customers are proud to recommend Saatva to others. Now let's take a look at the mattress. The Saatva Latex Hybrid is a 12-inch hybrid mattress that combines natural latex, organic wool, organic cotton, and pocketed coils to create a supportive, responsive, and eco-friendly sleeping surface. The mattress has a medium firm feel that suits most sleepers, especially those who like a bouncy and breathable feel. The mattress also comes with free white glove delivery, a 365-night sleep trial, and a lifetime warranty. YouTube reviewers were impressed by the quality and comfort of the Saatva Latex Hybrid. The mattress felt luxurious and well-made, with a soft, organic cotton cover and a plush wool layer that added some cushioning and temperature regulation. The latex layer was very responsive and conforming, providing pressure relief. The pocketed coils gave the mattress a solid base and enhanced the edge support, which was important for sleepers that tend to sleep near the edge of the bed. The Saatva Latex Hybrid also performed well in terms of cooling, motion isolation, and durability. The mattress did not trap heat thanks to the breathable materials and the airflow through the coils. The motion transfer was minimal for a hybrid mattress, which was great for sleeping with a partner who tosses and turns. The durability of the mattress was evident from the sturdy construction and the natural latex, which is known to resist sagging and indentations. The Saatva Latex Hybrid is a premium mattress that comes with a premium price tag. A queen size costs $2,195, which might seem steep for some customers. However, when you consider the quality and features of this mattress, you'll see that it's worth every penny. This mattress is an investment in your health and comfort that will pay off for years to come. Overall, the Saatva Latex Hybrid is recommended to anyone looking for a supportive, responsive, and eco-friendly hybrid mattress that can accommodate most sleeping positions and preferences. The mattress has a luxurious feel, a bouncy and breathable feel, and a long-lasting warranty. It is also backed by positive customer reviews of 4.8 stars out of 5 that attest to its comfort and quality. Don't let the price of this mattress scare you away. You can get this amazing mattress for a fraction of the cost with these incredible discounts. You can save up to $538 or 25% off the original price. That's a huge deal. Here's how you can get it. First, you can get a $263 factory discount right now. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss it. Second, for select individuals, you can get an extra $225 discount. Check to see if you qualify. Third, you can get another $50 discount on top of any other discounts. This is a stackable discount that you can use with any other offer. All you have to do is click the links in the description or the comment section below and claim your discounts today. Hurry, these offers won't last long.